Well, good morning, everybody. Good morning, sweetie. Good morning, big boy. Alright, back. Oh, Daddy, it's raining. He's getting wet. It's funny how he won't go anywhere near the pool. But when it comes to rain, he doesn't mind it at all. He just stands there. Stands in the rain. Yes, we have been getting a lot of rain recently. See how tall the grass is getting. It's shocking. In some spots it's almost up to my knees. It's only this little strip here. Because to the right of the hammock, where the you can see a big high pile of grass over there. That's where the laundry pipe goes through. So of course that gets a lot more water. But on the other side it's all been mowed. It's just this bit hasn't been mowed. And it needs it. You can see how high the grass is getting. And I can't mow it because it keeps on raining. So at the moment we have 2 wet doggies, apart from that. Poor boy Ace, there's this stuff coming down in the sky, Dad. And I don't like it. Poor boy. But we've got the remains of a cyclone that's come through for the last few days, and that's why we've been getting heavy rain on the odd occasion, and just this stuff just falling out of the sky. Little girl, she's still behind the shed. There she is. So very wet. Mate's going for a walk. Very awkward. And it's cold as well, which is nice. I don't mind it being cold. It's supposed to be 18 degrees today, it's maximum, which I think we're going to probably go past, and 19 degrees tomorrow. So we might have to go west or something to get away from the rain. And we can try it going further west, see if there's less out there where we can go for a nice hike. Yeah, we always go behind the shed. Well, that's our day. It's wet and miserable. The Buchanan's pool's not full, but it is filling up. You can tell where she is by her big rattle. Yes, she's wearing her collar. She's wearing it more often than not nowadays. Oh, there's a big boy. Hello, big boy. Not exciting? I need a shake now. There we go. Good shake. There's a little girl. Well, have a good day, everyone. Just wet. I need to clear that table off one day. It's just got all the gardening stuff on it. I need to put that in the shed, find a spot for it. I need some shelves in the shed. We'll see you later, everyone. Have a good day. I was looking at the kitchen wondering what on earth is Wolf sniffing at. He's got his nose in the air. And in the sink, I have got drumsticks thawing out. So that's what he's sniffing. Drumsticks. He says, oh, yes, that's my chicken. My chicken, my boy. Yes. She's all drumsticks. I have one now. No, they're frozen solid. You have to wait for your lunch. It's quite a few hours away.